Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very, very nice, all original 2022 Kubota SSV65 rubber tired skid steer loader. The shooter that has 245 hours. It is a one owner machine. Customer went a different direction with what he was doing. Basically, we ended up buying the machine from them. This machine still has emissions warranty until 8/8 of 2027. It is a 2022 year model. It is very well equipped. Machine is cab heat air. It is standard hand and foot controls, 2-speed, Kubota Shockless ride, power quick attach, 10/16/5 rubber. It does have an OEM Kubota 74-inch smooth edge bucket with bolt on cutting edge. Guys, we're going to walk you around this machine, show you all about it. It's a very, very clean, straight skid loader. It was kept inside. Paint, again, is all original. We did a full service at 244. All filters and oils have been changed. We've labeled everything. That way everybody knows it was done. That included cabin filters. Very, very clean, no oil leaks. Machine is 100% ready to go to work, and I do mean that. The worst part on this skid loader is one spot. He rubbed something right there. I do believe it was a pile-on in his building where he kept it. But anyhow, that's the only real bad scuff on the machine. Everything else is very straight, very original. You can see down here at the bolt heads how nice and clean that is on the side of the frame. There are some little stone chips up front here too. Other than that, you can see beautiful, beautiful condition. Auxiliary hydraulics with K-string. Kubota, guys, has this overhead door that, as far as I'm concerned, is an absolutely awesome door. Inside the cab is very, very clean. $245 if I can get the camera to focus. We have no error codes. We'll release that so you can see that. 2-speed. Kubota Shockless ride. Auto level bucket. Guys, there's an air conditioning pipe here I'm getting from him. He took it off for his building so he didn't have the visibility. There is a pipe here and it will be replaced. It does have your sliding side windows, which is very, very, very nice. Braden, hold that please. Up here you'll see your cab heat air function. Here is what I absolutely love on the Kubotas. Absolutely phenomenal door. Works very, very well. Easy in and out. You can pick your boom up, still get in and out of your machine. All the louvers and everything are in the ducts. Again, beautiful, beautiful skid loader. I'm going to start this thing up. We're going to run it around, see what there's anything supposed to do. Here we go. So again, this is an SSV65. Cab, heat, air. 2-speed travel. Kubota Shockless ride. Smooth. One thing a lot of people don't realize with the Kubota being a hand and foot controlled machine, their foot control system is actually a pilot style control. So it is effortless to push the pedals, very, very responsive, and it is very, very smooth. beveled. Very, very nice feature. Kubota has that down pat, works very, very nice. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and unhook the power quick attach for you. True hydraulic power quick attach. Yeah, I probably forgot to turn all the lights on. Show you guys that too. All the lights work. So, you guys are looking for a beautiful SSV65. Beautiful, clean machine. You got any questions? 245 hours, guys. Cab, heat, air, power quick attach, 2-speed, Kubota Shockless ride. Right up here is a release pin on these doors. That all you have to do, if I can get my hand in here to work, push your release, door's going to come right down. If you, again, are looking for a very nice, clean, original machine, here's something to take a look at. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. If you need a shipping quote, you need financing, let us know. We'll be glad to help you guys and work you through that. We have stuff to offer on the business side for financing, nothing on the personal side. But guys, we can help you in any way, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.